What's up, guys? So today what we're doing is headed down to pick up the van to Cherry Picker and pick up the motor out the race car, and we are going to head up to Charlotte to trade it in for another motor that's known good, that won't give me any problems. As most of you know, the motor that I have has been a complete piece of shit, excuse my French, but yeah, it should be good. So yeah, you guys are gonna follow me today and check that out. Should be a good time. Hopefully we can get it running tonight. If not, I have a plan to get it running next week because this weekend I'm gonna be super busy. So let's hope we can get that done, and yeah. Secured. We're headed up to get rid of this joker, put a good one in there, see what we can get done. The kid is struggling like always. He's having it kind of rough because he sucks. Alright bro, let's roll. One day I will have you, you too, finish it. Stopped and got some QT on the way back. ODB, we are ready to go.
3 Kim, Latoya, Tina, Shelly, Bridget, Kelly, Rashida, Kelly, Nicole, Angel, Juanita, Stacy, Tracy, Rhonda.
That is a Negtro XFI. Holy moly.